This is my dog snoring.
Let me tell you some of the reasons people get into trouble with credit cards. A job loss or salary cut, an unexpected expense. Consolidated Credit helped over 5 million people just like you. We can reduce your interest rates, cut your monthly payments, and help you get out of debt fast. The time to call Consolidated Credit is now. When debt is the problem, we're the solution.
Call Consolidated Credit now. Call 800-557-1979. Call now.
Everyone else I've told her, I can't imagine anyone wishing her harm.
Not even Dylan Meese?
I only saw them together a couple times. They seemed happy. Dylan always seemed pretty harmless to me. I know it would be better if I gave you something to convict him with, but you don't want to send an innocent person to prison ever. I hated you and your partner for a long time, and all I ever thought about was hurting you. But hate, it eats you up in there, and it makes you insane. How'd you manage? Thank you, Sergeant McCormick.
Thank you for coming down here and talking to me. I'm sure it's not the way you wanted to spend your first full day of freedom.
Thanks for being out there. Hey,
Culver's innocent.
yes. You don't think so?
I probably did
Coco,
not
what you
think
doing?
He's putting an innocent man in jail for 11 years.
Coco girl. You're on camera. You asleep? Did I wake you up?
Oh, it's not.
That's cute the way you
Dylan Meese love fest down there.
sleep on the stairs like you're a little tiny pup.
Oh, man.
It is possible that he's
Yeah, my good girl.
Best around nice.
Good Coco. You waiting for me to go to bed? Alright, I'll go to bed. Sleepyhead.
Hi. So Ben passed on this Boone Judson thing to me, the left-handed, right-handed thing. I talked to the RCMP.
Say hi, Coco.
To the reports. He said it's a 95%
Oh,
statistical probability that it was a right
love you.
shooter. So I guess
Rudy's gonna say hi too.
5%
Alright, Rudy?
chance to do it.
Oh, where you going? Okay. Good night.